And another unboxing on my dirty mousepad with the terrible direct lighting. We have the Iron Warriors Contemptor Dreadnought, or its base, and I'm not sure really how to get into this box proper, unless, well, I guess that's one way to do it. But instead of cutting myself, I'm just gonna grab these scissors I had prepared beforehand. The only scripted content you will ever have of me is actually having the stuff on the side. So, let's see. We are not even getting the instructions manual to how to assemble this bad boy, although I think it's rather self-explanatory. So let's just dump everything in here for now and get rid of all the extra bits. So we have the large base, and we got the chest with all its magnificent detail. Yeah, boy. Oh, I already like this. Like, in terms of going to paint it, gonna love it because I hate large shoulder areas. Let's see, then we have the power pack, or I presume this is the, yeah. Gonna need a big drill for those, because I am gonna be drilling this all the way through, although I think I'm probably gonna be getting a smaller, slightly smaller drill than the hole we got here. And then I'm gonna drill each these one individually. I have done so for my Sikaran main battle tank and the Commander Rhino, and I will do the same for this one. It just adds to the detail. Then we have, well, the headpiece, and what I presume, I believe these might be the knee pads, so to say, to be attached. Yeah, I think these are the knee pads over there. Then we have the shoulder plates, I presume, where you attach the arms. You got the glorious shinage with all the chevrons pre-done for you, so all you need to do is do some easy brushing. Oh. Then we have 4 different legs. What do you need 4 legs for? I'm no. R1, R2, left one. Oh, I guess you go to, these are side by side. They both go inside the same. Or are they just like? Hold on. That's the left one. So do they just go like that? I don't know. You know what? I need to bring up a picture. Sorry about the cats running around. Yeah. I just had to look up a picture of the Contemptor Dreadnought, and I don't see what these shoes are for. Like, why are there different pairs of them? They don't seem to be in different alignment. So I'm baffled. Did I? No, it's not extra pairs, because if anyone knows, just, my mind is baffled. Why are there 4 shoes instead of 2? Then you got the knees, or, well, not knees, the thigh pieces, I presume, from what I know from making the Iron Circle Automata. So far, from what I've seen, looks great. Although this piece here, I don't even see any difference between any of them, unless Well, okay, that might be the only difference. Is they are different, slightly different step. So you can have 1 foot up in the air taking a step, or you can have one flat. I think that might be the only difference between these shoes. Whatever that small crook over here is bent, like on this one. Huh. But anyhow, let's see how he looks after being washed and assembled, I guess.